Nancy, and this is my first patent pending product, TrustyTrunks. TrustyTrunks are the only leak-proof swim diaper solution. That means what happens in the diaper stays in the diaper.
These are my grandkids. They're the TrustyTrunks inspiration. One day we were headed to the pool, so their mom handed me the swim diapers. What? These are definitely not holding anything in. Babies don't get diarrhea, do they? The more I looked around, the more I saw a need. For example, this website from the CDC says that even though swim diapers might hold in some solids, they are not leak-proof. They can delay germs like cryptosporidium, but they do not keep germs from contaminating the water.
Hey, modern living is stressful enough. TrustyTrunks are designed to reduce stress, be easy to use, and solve problems. Are you a parent who wants to avoid an embarrassing accident at the pool? Or are you a pool operator who wants cleaner water and fewer costly cleanups? TrustyTrunks has you covered.
But wait, there's more. In addition to cleaner, safer pool water, you can change outfits at home without fear of leak onto a car seat. There's protection against that sticky sand. They are washing machine and dryer safe. If your child's already in training pants, there's no going backwards to diapers because your pool requires them. Because they're worn over any regular diaper, cloth, disposable, or training pants, your child's modesty is preserved during changing time. And they're fire resistant. Think of them as a baby butt bathing cap.
Baby butt bathing cap. Baby butt bathing cap. Baby butt bathing cap. Baby butt bathing cap.
Suggested retail price is $34, but my Kickstarter kick offers are a super great deal. And finally, you can find us at www.trustytrunks.com. Tell me what you think about TrustyTrunks and tell me your best pool accident story. The more the merrier on this exciting ride.